You know, most people think that once their skin gets darker from the sun, it is impossible to reverse it. But that is not true. In fact, you might be making your tan even worse without realizing it. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to remove stubborn suntan naturally and the biggest mistakes you need to avoid if you actually want glowing, even skin. First, what really causes tanning? Let's first understand what is happening to your skin. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces something called melanin, which is your body's natural way of protecting itself from damage. However, tanning is actually a sign of skin stress, not healthy, glowing skin. The more you expose your skin to the sun without protection, the deeper the tan becomes, and over time, this can lead to uneven skin tone and pigmentation if not treated properly. Biggest mistakes people make. Before learning what to do, it is important to stop doing what is making your skin worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping sunscreen and relying only on home remedies, which causes the tan to keep coming back again and again. Another common mistake is over-scrubbing the skin in an attempt to remove the tan faster, but this actually damages the skin barrier and increases pigmentation. And many people also overuse lemon or apply it during the daytime, which can irritate the skin and lead to more damage instead of improvement. Avoiding these mistakes alone can significantly improve your results. Natural remedies that actually work. First, yogurt and turmeric paste. One of the most effective remedies is using a mixture of yogurt and turmeric because yogurt gently exfoliates the skin while turmeric helps reduce pigmentation and inflammation, leaving your skin brighter over time. You can mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with a small pinch of turmeric. Apply it to your skin for about 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Another powerful remedy is tomato, which contains lycopene that helps repair sun damage and even out skin tone. You can rub a slice of tomato directly onto your skin or apply fresh tomato pulp. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Third, aloe vera and cucumber. Aloe vera combined with cucumber is perfect for soothing and repairing your skin, especially if it feels irritated or sensitive. Aloe vera helps heal the skin while cucumber cools it down and reduces tan lines. Applying this mixture at night allows your skin to repair itself while you sleep. Fourth, potato juice. Potato juice is also very effective because it contains natural enzymes that help lighten pigmentation gradually. You can grate a potato, extract the juice, apply it to your skin using a cotton pad, and leave it on for about 15 minutes before washing it off. Fifth, lemon and honey. Lemon and honey can also be used as a natural brightening remedy, where lemon provides vitamin C and honey keeps the skin hydrated. But this should only be used at nighttime and not too frequently to avoid irritation. And here's the routine that actually works. Most people try different remedies randomly and then feel like nothing is working. But the key is consistency and a simple routine. You should apply aloe vera gel every night before going to bed to help your skin recover daily. 3 times a week, you can use the yogurt and turmeric mask for gentle exfoliation and brightness. 2 times a week, you can use either tomato or potato treatment to target the tan more deeply. Once or twice a week, you can use the lemon and honey mixture carefully for additional brightening. If you follow this routine consistently for a month, you will start to notice visible improvements in your skin. And here are some tips for better results. Drinking enough water helps your skin repair faster and maintain a healthy glow. Eating foods like tomatoes, leafy greens, and seeds supports your skin from within and improves overall skin health. Most importantly, you should never skip sunscreen because without protection, your tan will keep coming back no matter how many remedies you use. And remember, your tan did not happen overnight, so it will not disappear overnight. But with the right approach and consistency, you can naturally restore your skin's glow. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Your glow is your power, so take care of it. I'll see you soon.